Hi y'all, I'm Tiffany Bohrer, founder of Tipsy Artist, and for over 30 years we've been helping people create beautiful memories through painting classes that are fun, uplifting, and unforgettable. We've hosted sold-out paint parties across the country and even set the world record for the largest paint and sip class with over 1,000 painters in one event. And now, the same best-selling paintings, joyful energy, and step-by-step instruction are finally available online through Cheers Creative Club. Inside the club, you'll get access to over 450 painting workshops with recorded classes, traceable templates, printable workbooks, live mentoring, encouragement, and a wonderful creative community that truly cheers you on. Whether you're painting for relaxation or teaching your own paint classes with our One Artist license, there's a place for you here. So grab your paintbrush, press play, and cheers to your creativity. Click the link in the description to learn more and subscribe to Cheers Creative Club. I would absolutely love to create with you.